Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to hide apps and games on Play Store. If you want to hide apps and games on Play Store, you just need to follow some steps. First, you have to open your Play Store app, and here you have to tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Tap here and then tap on settings. Now you have the family option, tap on it and then select parental controls. Here you have to enable the settings. Just tap on it and then it will be enabled. Now you have to enter password. As I'm going to create the password, then confirm password. And here you have another option which is apps and games. Tap on it. And here you have to select Reddit for 3 plus. And now tap on save. And now for the check, you just have to search for a game. As I'm going to search, so here you can see this game is blocked due to parental control. So I have successfully hidden the game on my phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.